$1,000,000 spaghetti. No, it doesn't cost $1,000,000, but it sure does taste like $1,000,000. And today's video is a little extra special because not only are we making $1,000,000 spaghetti, but we're also going to put together a care package for my cousin that just had little twins. She had a little boy and a little girl a couple weeks ago. So we are putting together this dinner for them to enjoy tonight, so that way that's less stress on them. And while you're here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's what we'll need to make $1,000,000 spaghetti. We're gonna have noodles. I chose ground turkey, you can do beef, cream cheese, mozzarella, marinara sauce, and onion ricotta, minced garlic, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and start by chopping up this onion. So I cranked up the stove here. We've got like a medium to a medium-high heat, and we are going to start warming up our pan. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. Okay everybody, so I finished it all the way up to the baking part. I'm going to let them bake it so it's nice and fresh whenever they're ready to eat for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And then I did want to show you guys this really cute basket that I found at Walmart. I'm going to put all of their goodies in it, and that way they can have the basket for afterwards and they can use it for whatever they might need. And now I want to show y'all a fun idea. I just put this pretty flower arrangement together out of hydrangeas out of our very own backyard. I just went out back. Fortunately, we have some beautiful hydrangea bushes. I just picked my 3 favorite little bundles, and I made sure that I snipped the stem fairly long. And I pulled this pretty vase out, and I have some twine. I just wrapped it around the top of the vase and then tied a pretty bow and arranged the hydrangeas until I was happy with them. Ta-da! Here's the salad I put together for them. I threw some cucumbers and peppers and tomatoes on it to make it extra yummy. And then I just put some Italian dressing in these little cups. I'm sure they have dressing at home, but just in case if they need it. And then I got this big loaf of bread at Walmart, and I found this garlic spread that I thought looked super yummy, and it would probably be really easy to use to throw in their little care package too. So I'll throw that in there. And then just in case they didn't have any Parmesan, I threw some in a little shaker that I believe used to be like for sprinkles. And here we have it. We've got all their goodies. We've got the $1 Million spaghetti, some Parmesan garlic spread. I threw in an unsweet tea in case they needed something to drink. The bread, the salad dressing, and then I got some cannolis for dessert and some Hershey's chocolate cream pies, and then some pretty flowers to go with it. Okay, so I'm gathering everything up and I'm putting it in the fun little basket that I found. You like it, babe?
Love it.
I hope that they like everything.
They will.
Come get like a close up. So I'm gonna put this in here first since it's the heaviest. Okay, so I put a little piece of cardboard in there on top so that way everything won't sink on top of the spaghetti. We got our salad, got our bread, this right there. I put the dressing in a little Ziploc bag. We've got our garlic spread. Tea, let me see.
Tea.
Probably set that on top.
Tea too.
And a little dessert. Pop this in here. And some cannolis. I think that's good.
Italian cannolitas.
It's a box full of goodies. And then I've got the flowers here, and then I have a fun little gift for the mama. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this fun care package. And I'll see you in the next video.